How to set clear, deleted, and voice memos on iPhone X. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down and go to Voice Memos. Here in Voice Memos, you can see here the Voice Memo Settings section, and you can see the Clear Deleted. And the Clear Deleted is set into after 30 days. So you can change or set this by tap the Clear Deleted, and you can see the option. So you can set the Clear Deleted into immediately, after 1 day, after 7 days, after 30 days, or you can set into never. And okay guys, I decide to set the Clear Deleted into after 1 day. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the Clear Deleted in Voice Memos on iPhone X.